world of AI homework hacks. Let's start with number 1, Smodin. This is the AI tool I like to call the essay magician. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you out with your writing assignments. Have you ever been given a huge essay to write, and your brain just says, nope, not today? It's a feeling we all know too well. Yeah, I've been there too. It's like hitting a wall and no amount of coffee can get you over it. But Smodin is like having a full team of writers in your laptop. Imagine having a group of experts at your fingertips, ready to craft the perfect essay for you. All you have to do is type in your topic. For example, the effects of climate change in Africa. And boom, in just a few seconds, Smodin gives you a full essay. It's almost like magic. It's well organized, well written, and even includes citations from real sources. No more endless hours of research and writing. You can choose how long you want it, whether you need it short and sweet or long in detail. The flexibility is amazing, and if your teacher is one of those who checks for plagiarism, don't worry. You can even use Smodin's rewriting feature to make it sound even more like you. It's a lifesaver for those tricky assignments. But here's the catch. Don't just copy and paste. It's important to make the work your own. Always read the essay, learn from it, and change some parts to make it your own. This way, you're not just submitting a great essay, but also learning in the process. Remember, AI is here to help you work smarter, not cheat. Use it as a tool to enhance your learning and make your academic life easier. Now let's talk about number 2, photomath. This one is for all my math warriors out there who are tired of X's and Y's flying around. We all know how frustrating it can be to stare at a math problem for hours and still not get it. Photomath is honestly like having a math genius in your pocket. Imagine having a tutor available 24/7, ready to help you solve any math problem you encounter. You just take a photo of any math question. It could be algebra, fractions, geometry, or even complicated word problems. And the app gives you the answer. It's that simple and efficient. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The real magic happens after you get the answer. Photomath actually shows you step by step how to solve the problem. It breaks down each part of the equation, making it easy to follow and understand. So you don't just get the answer, you learn how to do it yourself. This way, you can tackle similar problems in the future with confidence. That's the power of smart AI. It's like having a personal tutor who never gets tired and is always ready to help. For example, if you're stuck with something like 3x plus 5 equals 20, Photomath will guide you through each step. Subtract 5 from both sides, divide by 3, and boom, x equals 5. It's like having a detailed roadmap for every problem. It even explains the steps in simple language. No more confusing jargon or complicated terms. So instead of staring at your math book for hours, you get a full lesson in less than a minute. It's a game changer for anyone struggling with math. And trust me, this app can save your life during exam season. Whether you're cramming for a test or just trying to get through your homework, Photomath is the ultimate tool to have by your side. Let's move on to number 3, Quillbot. Now this tool is a total game changer for anyone who wants to sound smarter, more professional, or just more interesting in their writing. Whether you're writing an essay, a blog post, or even just a WhatsApp message to your teacher, Quillbot can turn your basic words into something beautiful. For example, let's say you write, "Dogs are good pets." Quillbot can transform that into "Dogs make excellent companions and are widely regarded for their loyalty." Sounds better, right? And it's not just about sounding fancy. Quillbot also helps you avoid plagiarism. You can copy something from your notes or from a website, drop it into Quillbot, and it'll rewrite it in a brand new way. It's also perfect if English is not your first language because it helps you write more clearly and correctly. You can choose different writing styles too: formal, simple, creative, or academic. It's like a writing coach and editor rolled into one. Next up, number 4, ChatGPT. You probably already know it, but if you don't, let me introduce you to the most powerful AI chatbot on the internet. ChatGPT is like having a super smart friend that never sleeps. You can ask it literally anything. Need help writing a speech about Nigeria's Independence Day? Done. Want ideas for a school science project? Done. Need a summary of a long, boring article? Done. ChatGPT can write stories, poems, jokes, even scripts like the one you're watching right now. And the best part is, you can talk to it like a human. You don't need to use perfect grammar or formal words. Just say, "Hey ChatGPT, help me understand photosynthesis," and it will explain it like you're 5 years old, or like a science genius, depending on what you want. You can also ask it to quiz you for exams, make you flashcards, or even translate words into other languages. Honestly, if you're not using ChatGPT, you're missing out. And finally, number 5. Grammarly. You know that feeling when you write something and then realize later that you made 10 spelling mistakes? Or worse, your sentence didn't make any sense? Grammarly is the hero that fixes all of that. It's an AI-powered grammar checker that works in real time. As you're typing, Grammarly checks your spelling, your punctuation, your sentence structure, and even your tone. So if you're writing an essay and you accidentally write, "they're going to the store" instead of "they're going to the store," Grammarly will catch it and correct it for you. It even gives suggestions on how to sound more polite, more formal, or more confident. And the best part? You can install Grammarly as an extension in your browser, so it works when you're writing emails, Google Docs, or even comments on YouTube. So whether you're sending a message to your teacher or writing a blog post, Grammarly makes sure you sound your best. Now let's talk about the real secret, combining these tools in a way that maximizes their potential. If you really want to level up your homework game, don't just use one tool in isolation. Use them together like a smart student who knows how to leverage technology. For example, you can start by asking ChatGPT for ideas or an outline for your essay. This AI can help you brainstorm and structure your thoughts. Then use Smodin to turn that outline into a full essay. It's like having a co-writer who helps you flesh out your ideas. Use Quillbot to polish your sentences and make them sound even better. It can rephrase your text to make it more engaging and clear. Run the final result through Grammarly to fix any grammar mistakes. This ensures your work is error-free and professional. And if your assignment has any math questions, just use photomath to solve them quickly and clearly. It's like having a math tutor in your pocket. This combo is what I call the AI Homework Avengers. Each tool has its own unique power. Each tool has its own power, but when you use them all together, you become unstoppable. It's like assembling a team of superheroes. Now here's something very important. These tools are powerful, but they are here to help you learn, not just do everything for you. They are your assistants, not your replacements. If you use them the right way, they can make you smarter, faster, and more confident in your work. They can help you understand complex topics and improve your skills. But if you just copy and paste everything without understanding, you're not learning anything. So be wise and use these tools to truly grasp the material. Use the tools to guide you, to teach you, and to improve your skills. They are there to enhance your learning experience. That way, when the final exam comes, you'll be ready with or without them. You'll have the knowledge and confidence to succeed on your own. So that's it for today's video. 5 of the best AI tools that can help you with your homework, plus the secret combo to use them like a pro. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you, imagine how many other students out there need this info too. So do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Insights for more videos like this. We've got more AI hacks, school tips, and tech surprises coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, stay smart, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.